But a large humpback weighs more than 60,000 pounds, and they're famous for launching themselves. The physics behind something that size jumping out of the water are well beyond me. Likely that some whales will be after that. Here we go. Look at that massive spine humping up under a small dorsal fin. That's what these animals do before they dive. A powerful tail, more than 15 feet across, casually flips up and slaps the water. And it's gone, back down into the liquid world where even 30 tons can dip. Oh man. Yeah, that was great. Did you get it, Dave?
Yeah, baby! You framed it and everything?
That impact sounded like a bomb. Take another look. This whale gets its entire body and half of its tail into the air. It's longer than a school bus and weighs as much as 3. And no one can tell me why this guy would bother burning so much energy doing something so incredibly difficult. Of course, there are theories to impress the girls, to scare off the boys, to blast itchy stowaway barnacles off their skin with the sheer force of the impact, to make noise, to get a look around, to play. That's the theory that resonates with me. Basically, they launch for the fun of it, for joy, for the very same joy that a toddler gets splashing around in a pool, or that we get from doing a cannonball that makes the biggest splash. And if it happens to peel the barnacles off and impresses the girls, so be it. And even every humpback population in the world has a similar migratory pattern. Feed all summer in cold water, winter, breed, and calf in warm water. Humpbacks are also famous for singing, but only the males do it. Sometimes back and forth to each other, sometimes while escorting a mother and a calf on migration back to cold water. Strangely, every male in a population sings the same song, sometimes on a loop for hours at a time,